Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Xbox One is probably one of the most sought-after gaming consoles on the market, offering a powerful gateway to a vast universe of entertainment and immersive gameplay experiences. With its robust hardware and extensive library of games, this console has cemented its place as a top contender for gamers seeking cutting-edge graphics, seamless online multiplayer, and a rich multimedia hub. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting your console journey, the Xbox One promises hours of engaging fun and endless possibilities for exploration and competition. Number 5. Xbox One 500GB Gears of War Bundle. Get ready for an epic gaming experience with the Xbox One Gears of War Ultimate Edition bundle. This bundle includes the full game download of the original Gears of War, remastered in stunning 1080p. Dive into the action with 5 campaign chapters that have never been released on console before. Experience the gripping story like never before. Challenge your friends in competitive multiplayer, running at a smooth 60 FPS. With 19 maps and 6 game modes, the action never stops. Unleash the power of the Superstar Cole multiplayer skin. Customize your character and dominate the battlefield. This console is your gateway to incredible games and entertainment. Enjoy the ultimate Gears of War experience and so much more. What we like. This bundle offers a classic shooter experience with remastered visuals and new content. If you are a fan of the Gears of War series or enjoy intense, fast-paced multiplayer action, this is the console for you. Experience the iconic campaign with enhanced graphics and dive into competitive play with a wealth of maps and modes. What people say. The overall design of the Xbox One is sleek and beautiful. The controller has a similar design to the 360 but seems lighter and easier to use. You can pause the game, access the home button to the main screen, and then pull up either YouTube or Edge and look up hints and/or tips. Once you have found the required info, you can automatically access the game from the exact same point in which you left it. The controllers last an extremely long time, even with dollar store rechargeable batteries, and the audio quality from the controllers themselves is superb if you want to use headphones instead of speakers to keep it quiet. The controllers themselves are awesome. The Xbox 360 controller was the best controller I ever used from any console in the last 30 years, and I didn't think there was too much room for improvement, but they managed to improve every aspect of the controller, ergonomics, sticks, bumpers, buttons, of the D-pad, and I am extremely pleased with that. Number 4. Xbox One S 500GB Minecraft Bundle. Get ready for endless fun with the Xbox One S 500GB console. This bundle includes everything you need to start playing right away. Dive into the world of Minecraft with full game downloads for both Xbox One and Windows 10. It's an adventure waiting to happen. Experience seamless control with the included Xbox wireless controller. You'll also find an HDMI cable, power cable, and a 14-day Xbox Live Gold trial. Expand your gameplay with the Favorites Pack, featuring 7 amazing community favorite content packs. Plus, the Builders Pack offers 6 more exciting additions. Enjoy stunning visuals with 4K Ultra HD streaming for movies and shows from Netflix and Amazon Prime. You can also watch 4K Blu-ray movies. Access over 100 console exclusives and a growing collection of backward-compatible Xbox 360 games. There's always something new to play. What we like. This console is perfect for families and creative minds, coming packed with Minecraft and additional content packs. If you're looking for a versatile entertainment hub that also offers access to a vast library of games, including backward-compatible titles, this is a great choice. Enjoy streaming your favorite movies and shows in stunning 4K Ultra HD. What people say. It also has 4K video capabilities and will play Blu-ray, another plus since I don't own a Blu-ray player. The Xbox One S has a faster processor and downloads games much faster than my Xbox 360e. I was a little concerned about storage space because this bundle comes with the 500GB console, rather than the terabyte or 2TB versions, and Xbox One games are a lot bigger than Xbox 360 games. But with the Xbox One being made by Microsoft, you can use just about any external USB hard drive over 256GB, simply connect it, auto-format it, and you have more storage. Number 3. Xbox One S 500GB Minecraft Bundle. Embark on an epic adventure with this incredible bundle. It includes everything you need to start playing right away. Dive into the full Minecraft experience with the complete game and the Explorers Pack. You'll also get Minecraft Story Mode for hours of narrative fun. Connect with friends across different platforms, whether they're on Windows 10, mobile, or console. Experience seamless multiplayer gaming. Enjoy 3 months of Xbox Live Gold. This gives you access to online multiplayer, free games every month, and exclusive discounts. With 1 month of Xbox Game Pass included, you get immediate access to a vast library of over 100 fantastic games. Discover new favorites and revisit classics. Play the biggest blockbusters, exclusive titles, and popular franchises. Experience the best of gaming across generations on this powerful console. What we like. This bundle is designed for the ultimate Minecraft fan and offers incredible value with included Game Pass and Xbox Live Gold. If you want to play Minecraft with friends on any platform and explore a massive library of games, this is the ideal pick. It's perfect for those who love to build, explore, and play together online. What people say. Flawless console that comes with one controller, a 1-month free Game Pass, allows you to play any game demo for unlimited time, a free 3-month subscription to Xbox Live Gold, a necessity if you want to get the most out of your console, gives you good deals and sales on the latest games. A $60 game might be marked down to like $45 or $50 for example, the complete Season 1 of Minecraft Story Mode, the regular classic version of Minecraft, and also a very nice expansion pack for the game that unlocks quite a bit of cool stuff. This is a great product that included everything you need for setup. I got it for $229, which is an amazing deal for a brand new console, a new controller, 2 games, and 2 free trials. My friend got a used PS4 from GameStop for $250 that only included a used console and used controller. You can even just use it as a Blu-ray player and use streaming services such as Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Hulu. Shipped extremely quick with Prime, ordered Sunday, received Wednesday. Xbox is brand new, included controller, 1-month Game Pass, 3 months live, and if you're a new customer they will give you an extra month of love on top of the 3. Everything was great. Playing constantly since arrived. Number 2. Xbox One 500GB console, renewed. Introducing the renewed Xbox One 500GB console. It offers a great gaming experience at an incredible value. This package includes the console, a wireless controller, HDMI cable, and power supply. Please note the Kinect sensor is sold separately. It supports various CD formats like CDDA, CD-ROM, and CDR. You can also play WMA, MP3, and JPEG files. Experience games like Titanfall and Halo on a powerful network. Enjoy maximum performance with over 300,000 servers. If you encounter issues like the console not playing games or a black screen, try a power cycle. Unplug it, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in. For additional troubleshooting steps, please visit the manufacturer's website. They have more resources to help you. What we like. This is a cost-effective option for those looking to get into the Xbox One ecosystem. If you're on a budget and want a reliable console for gaming and media playback, a renewed unit is a solid choice. It's suitable for gamers who might already own accessories like a Kinect sensor or are looking for a straightforward gaming experience. What people say. It works great. I found lobbies quickly and easily. Packaging was great, console was wrapped up nice and secure with tons of bubble wrap and everything advertised was included, console, controller, wires, and in great shape. Arrived on time, and well packaged. Unit works great, and came with a nice gray and black wireless controller. Number 1. Xbox One S 500GB Forza Horizon 3 Hot Wheels Bundle. Get ready for an incredible gaming experience with the Xbox One S 500GB console. This bundle includes everything you need to jump right into the action. It comes with a console, wireless controller, and digital downloads for Forza Horizon 3 and its Hot Wheels expansion. You'll also find an HDMI cable and trials for Xbox Live Gold and Xbox Game Pass. Play with friends online in cooperative or competitive modes. Plus, all your existing Xbox One games and accessories are compatible with this console. Connect and share your gaming moments with friends across both Xbox One and Windows 10. Enjoy a seamless experience no matter where you play. Immerse yourself in stunning 4K Ultra HD for video streaming and UHD Blu-ray movies. Experience vibrant, luminous colors with high dynamic range technology in games and videos. Relive your favorite moments with hundreds of Xbox 360 and select original Xbox titles. Play the games you already own and love on this console at no extra cost. What we like. Experience the thrill of racing with this bundle featuring Forza Horizon 3 and its Hot Wheels expansion. If you're a car enthusiast or love open-world racing games, this console is for you. Enjoy stunning visuals with 4K Ultra HD and HDR, and expand your gaming library with backward compatibility for older titles. What people say. The Xbox One 500GB console is a great all-around entertainment system. It comes with a wireless controller and a headset for gaming. The console can also play Blu-ray movies and stream content from various apps. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.